This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar Z key, full guide. Start by verifying if your key is a smart fob or contains a manual blade. Remove the seam cap by sliding the release tab gently and pull the blade out with even pressure. Inspect the blade for damage and the fob for water intrusion. Keep replacement batteries and a small flat tool handy for safe removal and reassembly of components. In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar Z key, full guide. With the blade removed, examine the locking slot for grime or corrosion that blocks movement. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean tight areas before attempting further disassembly. Keep magnets and strong currents away from the fob circuit board when handling. Work on a soft cloth to catch small springs or clips that might come free during careful maintenance. In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar Z key, full guide. Quick recommendation: when you are crouched beside your car changing a battery, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle for easy sipping and a leak-proof flip lid. I like keeping one in the glove box during maintenance jobs and long drives. If this tip helps, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar Z key, full guide. After separating the halves, locate the coin cell battery and note its orientation so you can replace it correctly. Remove the battery with non-metal tweezers to prevent shorting the contacts. If the buttons are sticky, clean the silicone pad and housing recesses, then reassemble slowly, ensuring clips align. Test the fob remotely before finishing to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.